Hello friends, this is Miss Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant, and this is the day 19 lesson plan. We are breezing through the topic clean up. So first I'm going to do the warm-up and story time, then letters and sounds, then the brain break, then math and science, then art, and finally the conclusion. Let's get into it. For our warm-up and story time, the objectives are to turn cleaning into a game and to show how being messy can be frustrating. First, how are we going to turn cleaning into a game? Well, we have a clean up race. You're going to take your kids into a messy room, and if you have more than one child, you can divide the room using tape or a rope, or divide it into sections and put each child in that section. Now, they have 2 minutes to get the most clean, and whoever gets the most clean within that 2 minutes wins. You can set up whatever prize system you want. After our game, we're going to have story time. I will read the story Just a Mess by Mercer Mayer. This little guy in the story cannot find his baseball mitt because his room is so messy. Let's see what happens in the story. After that, we'll go right into letters and sounds. Now, I'm trying to enforce letter C recognition. First, by doing a letter C test. So I'm going to show my students pictures of cups. Each cup has a letter on it. They're trying to find all the cups with the letter C. I'll give them some time to point to it, and then afterwards I'll show them all the cups that have the letter C. Now after that, we will do a maze. It's not going to be this maze, but I put this up here to give you an idea. So there's going to be a cow, there's going to be letters, more than just one letter, but they're going to draw a line connecting all the C's until they make it to the cow. So that's going to be what the maze looks like. Then they're going to look at a sentence. They don't have to know how to read. All they need to know is to spot the letter C. So they're going to point to all the letter C's in a sentence. Like this sentence, the cat clapped at the child in the chocolate chip cookie shop. So they're going to point to all the C's in the sentence. That is all. After letters and sounds, my art house studio is going to be responsible for our brain break. They have this cute little dance called crisscross. It looks like a lot of fun. If you haven't followed them yet on Instagram, this would be a good idea, a good opportunity to do so. This is what their Instagram looks like. And after you've finished following them on Instagram, you can also go to their website and join their mailing list. You can also use this as a way to get in contact with them. After our brain break, we will go into math and science. The objectives are to compare objects, to recognize the number 4 and the word 4, to spot patterns, and to do a cleaning experiment. Now for comparing objects, it's pretty much which does not belong. So I have a picture of objects, and they're going to tell me in the row which one doesn't belong. Like in this case, it's the book with the bookmark. After that, we have a number word match. So we have the word 4. I need them to draw a line from the word 4 to the number 4 using imaginary pencils. Eventually, this is going to be put into a worksheet. For patterns, I have 2 that are there. So in each row of patterns, they're going to decide or show or call out which one comes next. For in the first case, it'd be a heart, and in the second case, it'd be a basketball. For science, we're going to be making a toilet bomb. That should be very exciting for you parents. Think about it. What if your children knew how to clean the toilet? Wouldn't that be excellent? So I've been giving a recipe on how to make a really cool toilet bomb, and you can either do that recipe or make that toilet bomb with your child. For art, we're going to be using baking soda again, and this time we're adding it with vinegar to make art. So that should be cool. And that's about all for this lesson. If you have any questions, comments, or collaboration requests, please send them to artpiece926@gmail.com. Well, that is all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.